Hello guys, today we will discuss about the CSS recommended books. First of all, the first paper is English essay. For English essay, you should have to understand the topic, figure out whether you are good in philosophical type essays or current affair based essays. Do not just attempt the one about which you have to read something if you could not understand its true dimension and demand. Understanding completely will land you in safe zone. Do not rush. Take time to understand the essay topic. For English essay, these books are recommended. That is Better Writing Now and How to Write Good Essays by Lauren Storke. For Pakistani authors, you can take the book of Manzoor. For English Pressy, High School English Grammar and Composition by Leonard Martin is very good book and the publisher is Oxford. The second book is Exploring the World of English by Syed Saadat Ali Shah by Ilmi. These two books are very good for English as a Pressy paper, and for vocabulary you must go through the SAT, GAT or GRE words. For General Science and Ability, Jahangir World Times General Science and Ability book by Mia Shafiq is very good book, and this one book is enough for this paper. For Pakistan affairs, there are many books like Constitutional and Political Development of Pakistan by Hamid Khan and Concise History of Pakistan by M.R. Kazmi and Pakistan, A Hard Country by Levin and Future of Pakistan by Stephen Cohen and Making Sense of Pakistan by Farzana Sheikh, Pakistan Enduring Challenges by Christine Fair and Pakistan Beyond the Crisis State by Maliha Lodi. But you must go through this book like Pakistan Beyond the Crisis State by Maliha Lodi, Governing the Ungovernable by the Ishrat Hussain and Back to the Pakistan. These three books are very good for Pakistan. For current affairs paper, you can go through the provided links, that is for Diplomat and the Foreign Affairs and World Affairs and many more. Apart from that, you must go on daily basis from the Dawn editorials and opinions, and you must study the book by Aisha Jalal like Modern South Asia. For Islamic studies, the book named Islamic Studies by Hafiz Karimdat Yuftai is very good. It almost covers many topics. And Islam, Its Meaning and Message by Professor Khurshid and Introduction to Islam and by Hamidullah. These three books are enough to cover the syllabi of Islamic studies. If you have opted the international relation, then you should go through the Globalization of World Politics and International Relations and the books that are given here. Also, we have also listed the books for international law and by different authors. For the US history, the books are also mentioned here, and same goes for criminology and environmental sciences. Books for sociology and gender studies are also mentioned here. For gender studies, 50 key concepts in gender studies, theories of women studies, and women of Pakistan, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and gender studies by Amanullah Gondal. And this only one book covers almost all the course outline of gender studies. Apart from that, the YouTube videos on gender studies are very essential to listen to develop the concepts about gender studies. Furthermore, the books for psychology, town planning and urban management and anthropology are also mentioned in this file. Punjabi is very scoring subjects, and although Punjabi Rang is very good book, but the Punjabi book published by Agwai named Agwai is very good for Punjabi syllabus of CSS examination. Similarly, for books of geography and European history are also mentioned here. For political science, you must go through Muslim political thought from Plato to present. There is another book named Sages of the Ages, and for paper 1, the book named is Political Science Theory and Practice by Mazrul Haq. This is a very good book for political science understanding. If you have opted political science, then you must opt the constitutional law and go through these 2 books for this paper. If you have opted public administration, political science, then you can also opt the same subjects in PMS, that is Provincial Management Services, Public Administration with special reference to Pakistan by Dr. Sultan Ahmad is very good book for understanding the public administration. Finally, you will not find many topics in these books, so internet is the key to cover topics that are not covered by books. Internet will remain helpful for all subjects, both compulsory and optional, and must be utilized in proper way. YouTube videos give great insight. Thank you so much for listening.